Welcome to the video. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn long YouTube videos into viral shorts using Klap AI in just a few clicks. There's a link in the description, and don't forget to use my coupon code to get an instant 30% discount. Let's get started. First, go to klap.app in your browser. Now click on the login button at the top right corner. You can log in using your email and password or simply continue with Google. I'll go ahead and click the Google button to log in. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see a box that says Your Video. Now we need a YouTube video to convert into shorts. Let's open YouTube in a new tab. Search for motivational podcasts. Then click on Filters and under Features, select Creative Commons. This ensures the video we use has no copyright issues. I'm selecting one from the results, copying the YouTube link, and heading back to Klap AI. Paste the video link into the Your Video box and hit the Generate button. Klap will now analyze the video and prepare it for editing. Once the video loads, choose your preset. You can go with default or select one that fits your niche. For the duration, I'm keeping it on auto. Now choose your language. I'll leave it as English. Make sure the following options are turned on: reframe dimension, portrait hook, captions, emojis. Everything looks good. Now click the Generate Shorts button. Klap AI will process the video and generate multiple short-form clips automatically. As you can see, it has created more than 10 shorts from our selected video. You can now preview each one, download the ones you like, and check the results. These shorts are ready to post on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. It's that easy.
I obsessed over being a creator, and I still want to make this a full-time gig. So you want to know what I do? I do nothing but watch and listen to creators that do it full-time, and it's a normal thing for me to see that. I live in Austin, where a lot of people are in the industry of being creative and capitalizing off of their creativity.
Don't forget, the link to Klap AI is in the description below. And use my coupon code to get an exclusive 30% discount on any premium plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.